Dear student, I am B. V. Patil. My school name Uttur Vidyalaya Uttur. Today I take a video for standard 10th subject maths paper second chapter first. Chapter name is similarity. Today we discuss about property number 3. Let us start. Here we draw triangle A B C, height CD. Another triangle, here we draw triangle PAB, height PQ. Then we take here ratio of areas of two triangle, that is area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle APB is equal to, in numerator, triangle ABC, its base is AB and height is CD. Then we get base AB into height CD divided by, for triangle APB, base is AB and height is PQ. Then its value, base AB into height PQ. Therefore, LHS side remaining is equal to, on RHS side, AB similar get cancelled. In numerator, CD remaining divided by, in denominator, what is remaining? That is PQ. Hence, we get property here for both triangle AB is the base and that is equal base. Therefore, areas ratio proportional to their heights. Therefore, we get property number 3. The ratio of areas of two triangles with equal base is equal to the ratio of their corresponding heights. Then we do here activity. Fill in the blanks properly. First example, there are two triangles, triangle A, B, C and A, P, Q. From A, we draw here height AR. Then area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle APQ is equal to, first bracket into second bracket divided by first bracket into second bracket. For triangle ABC, what is the base? BC is the base. And what we get, height AR is the height. For triangle APQ, which is the base? That is base PQ. And which is the height? That is AR, is equal to, first bracket divided by second bracket. Here AR get cancelled. In numerator, which value we get? BC we get here, and in denominator, that is PQ. Then second example, first triangle and second triangle, triangle LMN and triangle DMN. First height LP second height DQ, area of triangle LMN divided by area of triangle DMN is equal to first bracket into second bracket divided by first bracket into second bracket for triangle LMN base MN, and which height we get here LP in denominator for triangle DMN, which is the base MN, and into tail the height DQ is equal to first bracket divided by second bracket. Here MN is the common part, get cancelled. In numerator what we get, that is LP. In denominator, which value we get here, that is DQ. Then example first, figure BC is perpendicular to AB, AD is perpendicular to AB, BC value 4, value of AD is 8, then find area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB. In solution, area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle ADB for both triangle, which is the common part, that is AB, and AB is the base of both triangle. Therefore, we use here property, if base is equal, then areas ratio proportional to their heights. First height is BC divided by tail denominators triangle's height, that is AD, and reason because triangles having equal base is equal to value of BC is 4 divided by value of AD is 8 is equal to 4 1 is 4 divided by 4 2s are 8. Second, in triangle ABC, B dash, D dash, C, and BD is equal to 7, BC is equal to 20. Then find following ratios. First and second, in solution, we find value of DC, tell the formula for finding DC, that is BC minus BD is equal to BC value 20 minus value of BD is 7. Tell the subtraction is 13. Then first asking question, area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle ADC is equal to, for first triangle ABD, BD is the base, and for triangle ADC, DC is the base. Therefore, we get height from point A, that is common height, that is equal height. Then ratio of areas of two triangle proportional to their bases. Tell the base of triangle ABD, that is BD, divided by tell the base of triangle ADC, that is DC. Give reason. Then substitute value of BD is 7 divided by value of DC is 13. We can't do here division. Then give reason, because triangles having equal height. Second asking question, area of triangle ABD divided by area of triangle ABC is equal to, for first triangle ABD base BD and for triangle ABC base BC, we get height from A, that is equal height. Therefore, areas ratio proportional to their bases. Tell the base of triangle ABD, that is BD, divided by tell the base of triangle ABC, that is BC, is equal to substitute value of BD is 7 divided by value of BC is 20. Give reason, triangles having equal height. In this way, we solve example number 3. Base of a triangle is 9 and height is 5. Base of another triangle is 10 and height is 6. Find the ratio of areas of these triangles. In solution, let for first triangle base B1, height H1, area A1 we consider, and let for second triangle base B2, height H2, area A2. Given, what is given here? Value of B1 is 9, value of H1 is 5, value of B2 is 10, value of H2, height of another triangle is 6. Therefore, we can use here property, the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their bases and corresponding heights. Therefore, take ratio of areas of two triangles means A1 divided by A2 is equal to product of base and height. For first triangle, tell the base and tell the height, that is base B1 into tell height, that is H1, divided by for triangle A2, tell the base B2 into tell the height, that is H2, is equal to substitute values. Value of B1 is 9 into value of H1 is 5 divided by value of B2 tell here 10 into value of H2 tell here, that is 6, is equal to do multiplication. In numerator, which value we get here? 9 5s are 45 divided by, in denominator, 10 6 are 60 is equal to, here which number divide to numerator and denominator? S, that is 15. 15 3s are 45 divided by 15 4s are 60. Therefore, the ratio of areas of this triangle is 3 is to 4. In this way, you can solve example. Triangle is 3 is to 4. In this way, you can solve example. Dear student, you like my video, then please give like to video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on bell icon. Thank you.